This residential project brought several custom metal features together to create a safer, more connected, and professionally finished backyard space. The installation begins with simple side gates positioned along the narrow passages beside the home. These gates help control access to the backyard while maintaining a clean, open appearance that matches the rest of the metalwork. The main feature of the project is the custom railing system surrounding the raised backyard porch. Art Metal Workshop fabricated the railings with slim vertical pickets, strong steel posts, and a smooth black powder-coated finish. The straightforward design complements the home's brick exterior, wooden deck, and natural landscaping without distracting from the surrounding property. It creates a secure boundary around the elevated porch while preserving clear views of the backyard. The railing continues along the outdoor walkway and staircase, creating a consistent visual connection between the different levels of the property. Custom posts and handrails were carefully positioned to follow the shape and slope of the stairs, providing reliable support throughout the route. Every component was measured and fabricated for its exact location, from the side gates and porch perimeter to the garden walkway and lower stairs. The matching black finish ties the entire project together, providing a durable exterior surface and a clean architectural look. This multi-part installation shows how custom metalwork can improve safety, access, and appearance across an entire outdoor space. Designed, fabricated, and installed by Art Metal Workshop,